Motorized telescopic rail kit. Inside the industrialized package are one set of rail, one piece of motor, one piece of remote and a bag of accessories. Open the locking buttons on the two ends of the rail, and then adjust the length based on your actual need. Right after, lock up the locking buttons. Cut the PVC decorative strip. And cover up the rail belt for decorative purpose. The motor can be assembled on any side of the rail. Move the two sliders to the very ends of the rail, and tighten the secondary slider screws. Move the two sliders back and forth. When the two sliders move simultaneously, it means the setup has been done successfully. Insert the sliding hooks. Typically 8 PCS per meter. Please make sure the same quantity for the two rails. The longer brackets are used at the rail overlapping section. Tighten the screws after clipping the bracket into the rail. Assemble the other type of brackets at an interval of 50 centimeters. Load the start end hooks on the two ends of the rail. The first hook of your curtain shall be engaged here. Assemble the motor by rotating. Press the small gray button when you want to remove the motor. Mark the drilling positions by pencil. Use the percussion drill to drill the concrete holes. In the case of wood, tighten the screws directly. It's recommended to tighten the brackets in the middle. Quick connectors and universal plugs are provided. When power cables are available, simply use the quick connectors. You don't need to distinguish the wire when plugging in. Press the setup button on the motor for 3 seconds until the LED turns on, and then press another 7 seconds until the LED turns off. In this way, the motor is reset. Let's move on to teach the remote. Press the setup button of the motor for 3 seconds until the LED turns on, and short press the confirmation button. In the back of the remote controller, the motor LED blinks, and then press the setup button of the motor again until the LED turns off. The motor and remote are successfully paired. Press the up or down button on the remote to enable the motor to find the auto stop positions automatically. It will hit the dead ends for the first, but the collision will not occur anymore later on. As a basic configuration by default, the motor has multiple stopping positions, without extra setup, as it can teach itself automatically. The default stopping positions are 25%, 50%, and 75%. Keep pressing the left button on the remote to get full closing or opening.